Look at the world in 2026. Supply chains are fragile, disasters are hitting harder, and most American households are one crisis away from empty store shelves. Most prepper advice gets it wrong, pointing you toward expensive freeze-dried meals you'll stash and forget. But what you actually need are affordable, practical staples that keep your family healthy and can even double as barter goods when the trucks stop rolling. So here are 15 survival foods you can buy this weekend at any grocery store without blowing your budget. Number 1. Rolled oats. Rolled oats are one of the best long-term survival foods hiding in plain sight on your grocery shelf. When removed from their paper packaging and sealed in a Mylar bag with an oxygen absorber, they can last 25 to 30 years. Even in their original container, they stay good for up to 2 years. They are a nutritional powerhouse, fiber, protein, and slow-burning complex carbohydrates that keep your energy steady. Preparation is nearly foolproof. Just add boiling water and wait. A little powdered milk, honey, or salt turns it into a filling hot meal. Oats are also versatile. You can grind them into flour, use them to thicken soups, or mix them into ground meat to stretch a meal. They are cheap, calorie-dense, and store forever. That's the holy trinity of prepping. Number 2. Honey. Honey is the survival food that even non-preppers instinctively know is valuable. It has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible after thousands of years. Its low moisture and natural acidity make it essentially immortal. If it crystallizes, gentle heat restores it, but honey is far more than a sweetener. In a grid-down situation with no pharmacy, it becomes medicine. A spoonful soothes a cough as effectively as some over-the-counter syrups. It has natural antibacterial properties and has been used for centuries to treat wounds and burns. It can help balance your gut after a weird survival diet, and mixed with apple cider vinegar, it makes a potent health tonic. Honey is also a universal barter item. Everyone wants something sweet, it never needs refrigeration, and a small jar is worth more than its weight in paper money when people are scared. Number 3. Beans. Beans have earned their legendary status in the prepping world for one simple reason. They are the cheapest dense calories you can buy. At a Costco or Sam's Club, a 50-pound bag of pinto beans costs around $45 and holds enough calories to feed one person for over a month. They are packed with plant-based protein, gut-healthy fiber, iron, magnesium, and folate. Combined with rice, they form a complete protein, giving your body all the essential amino acids it needs. The key is variety. Don't just stockpile 50 pounds of pinto beans. Add black beans, navy beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas for different flavors and textures. A 15-bean soup mix can turn a bowl of survival slop into a meal you actually look forward to. Rotate your stock using the first-in, first-out method. Kept dry and cool, beans will sustain you for years. Number 4. Rice. If beans are the foundation, rice is the load-bearing wall. White rice, properly stored, can last 30 years or more. Brown rice goes rancid due to its oil content, so white rice is king for long-term storage. It's astonishingly cheap. A 20-pound bag runs around $10 to $12 at big box stores. 100 pounds holds well over 100,000 calories, enough for about 100 days of survival rations. Rice does more than fill your stomach. The starchy water from boiling rice can soothe skin conditions like eczema and help combat dehydration from diarrhea, a deadly threat in emergencies. A sock filled with uncooked rice makes a reusable hot or cold pack. And yes, the old trick of drying out a wet cell phone in a bowl of rice actually works because rice is a natural desiccant. You aren't just stockpiling food, you're stockpiling a multi-tool. Number 5. Pasta. Pasta is arguably the most underrated carbohydrate in the prepper pantry. Dried pasta has almost no moisture and can easily last 10 to 20 years when kept away from pests. Pound for pound, it delivers nearly triple the calories of rice, making it one of the most space-efficient calorie sources you can store. It also cooks in under 10 minutes, saving precious fuel. Think about the psychological power of comfort food during a weeks-long lockdown. A bowl of spaghetti with butter and salt isn't just nutrition, it's a reminder of normal life. Stock a variety: spaghetti, elbow macaroni, rotini, egg noodles. They all cook similarly but give your brain enough variety to fight off the monotony. Pasta is frequently on sale for $1 a box. Spend $20 and you can seriously improve your family's long-term food security. Number 6. Canned meat. I overlooked canned meat for a long time, and I was wrong. Most canned meats are pre-cooked and can be eaten straight from the can with zero preparation. In an emergency where you can't start a fire or need to stay quiet, that's a massive advantage. The shelf life is 2 to 5 years, often much longer if the can stays undamaged and cool. Canned meat provides the dense, complete protein that grains alone can't offer. Spam is famously cheap and calorie-dense. Canned salmon and tuna deliver omega-3 fatty acids for brain function and inflammation control. Pink salmon often includes soft, edible bones for a huge calcium boost. Canned chicken is a blank canvas for any meal. The strategy is simple. Buy what you already eat and rotate. Use a can for a regular meal. Replace it with a new one from the store. Your emergency supply will never expire. Number 7. Powdered milk. I ignored powdered milk for years, and that was a mistake. The moment I realized you can use it to make butter, cheese, and creamy soups, it became a staple. Non-fat dry milk powder, stored airtight away from heat, can last up to 20 years. Even grocery store bags stay good well past their printed date. It's an excellent source of calcium and protein, nutrients that are scarce in other long-term foods. The real magic is what you can create with it. Powdered milk, a little oil, and salt can make a butter substitute. If you can make butter and have flour, you are halfway to biscuits. For families with children, powdered whole milk ensures kids get the fat and calories their brains need. Stir it into oatmeal, soups, or just mix with water for a nourishing drink. If someone in your group can't eat solid food, a high-calorie milk drink could keep them alive. Number 8. Protein powder. Protein powder might seem like a gym luxury, not a survival staple. That assumption misses the point. In a long-term emergency, maintaining muscle and immune function requires adequate protein, and a tub of whey or plant-based powder is incredibly shelf-stable for 2 to 3 years or more. It is the most portable protein you can get. I can put a dozen servings into small bags, toss them in a backpack, and be ready. Protein powder is invaluable for the vulnerable. An elderly person who struggles to chew or a sick person with no appetite can drink a liquid meal that is gentle on their stomach. It can be mixed into oatmeal or mashed potatoes to boost nutrition without changing the taste. A single large tub costs less than a dinner out and provides a nutritional safety net that could keep someone going when solid food is scarce. Number 9. Potato flakes. Instant mashed potatoes are one of the best-kept secrets in the prepper food world. They are absurdly cheap, a few dollars for a large box that makes dozens of servings. Sealed in a Mylar bag with oxygen absorbers, potato flakes can last over 20 years. Potatoes are more than starch. They deliver potassium, vitamin C, and B vitamins. Historically, populations that relied on potatoes were surprisingly healthy because this tuber provides so much of what the body needs. Potato flakes are a meal saver. That endless pot of rice and beans can get watery and boring. Add a scoop of potato flakes, and suddenly you have a thick, creamy, hearty stew. Combine them with powdered milk and butter for a side dish that tastes almost exactly like fresh mashed potatoes. They are lightweight, calorie-dense, and require only hot water. For a single-digit price, they are a no-brainer addition. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar bridges the gap between food and medicine. Its acidic nature gives it an unlimited shelf life. In the kitchen, a splash of vinegar brightens bland survival meals and is essential for quick pickling vegetables to extend their life. But preppers value it for much more. It has well-documented antifungal properties and can be a household cleaner when commercial products are gone. A daily tablespoon mixed with water and honey is a classic folk tonic used to support digestion and blood pressure. If questionable water or a strange diet upsets your stomach, a vinegar and honey drink can help soothe it and may even assist in clearing out parasites. For pet owners, a diluted vinegar spray can repel fleas and ticks without harsh chemicals. It costs a few bucks and never expires. That is the definition of a smart prep. Number 11. Water and filtration. Water isn't technically a food, but any survival list that ignores water is missing the most critical piece. You can survive weeks without food. You have about 3 days without water. Extreme weather and infrastructure failures can knock out municipal water systems instantly. Every household should store at least 2 weeks of drinking water, 1 gallon per person per day. For a family of 4, that's 56 gallons. 55-gallon drums, stackable jugs, and water bricks all work. But stored water is heavy and finite. The real solution is filtration. A gravity-fed filter can turn rainwater, lake water, or questionable tap water into safe drinking water. A personal filter like a Life Straw or Sawyer Squeeze lets you drink safely from streams. These devices remove bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Store what you can, but invest in the means to create clean water independently. Without that, everything else on this list is just a pile of dry ingredients you can't safely consume. Number 12. Salt and spices. Salt is not just for flavor, it is essential for survival. Your body cannot function without sodium. In a high-sweat, high-stress scenario, salt deficiency leads to muscle cramps, dizziness, and severe electrolyte imbalances. Plain iodized table salt is the standard, but sea salt and pink Himalayan salt offer additional trace minerals. Bulk salt is dirt cheap in the US and, if kept dry, will never go bad. You cannot have too much. Beyond salt, dried herbs and spices are a massive morale booster. Imagine eating unseasoned rice and beans for 90 days. Now imagine having chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, and Italian seasoning. The psychological difference is enormous. Spices are light, compact, and last for years. Hot sauce, soy sauce, and bouillon cubes are also worth stockpiling. In a world stripped of normal comforts, a well-seasoned meal is an anchor of sanity. Salt and spices will also be valuable barter items when everyone else only has bland staples. Number 13. Sugar. Sugar takes a lot of criticism in the health world, and much of it is valid. But in a survival situation, sugar is not a guilty pleasure. It's a strategic resource. White granulated sugar, kept dry and sealed, lasts forever. A 25-pound bag from a big box store costs very little and provides pure, fast energy when exhaustion hits. Sugar is one of the most powerful barter items you can own. It is universally desired and easily divided. A cup in a sealed bag can be traded for fresh eggs or manual labor. Functionally, sugar can help yeast-proof for baking bread. A thick sugar paste applied to a wound can pull out moisture and inhibit bacterial growth, mimicking the osmotic effect of medical honey when modern supplies are out of reach. Sugar is far more than a sweet treat. It's lightweight, eternal, and surprisingly versatile. Number 14. Cooking oil. Cooking oil is the prep many newcomers forget, and they regret it the moment they start cooking dry grains without any fat. Fat is the most calorie-dense macronutrient, delivering 9 calories per gram. In a high-energy scenario, chopping wood, walking long distances, staying warm, those extra calories keep your body from burning its reserves too fast. Choosing the right oil matters. Coconut oil is highly saturated and resistant to rancidity, staying good for up to 2 years at room temperature. Olive oil has a shorter shelf life but offers a flavor that can transform a meal. Avocado oil has a high smoke point for frying and a mild, buttery taste. A tablespoon drizzled into a pot of rice or potato flakes adds the richness that pure survival food lacks. If meat is scarce, fat becomes the hardest macronutrient to find in the wild. A few large bottles of stable cooking oil ensure you won't suffer the weakness and mental fog of a fat-deficient diet. Number 15. Coffee. Coffee makes this list not because it is essential for physical survival, but because it is essential for human sanity in a crisis. Anyone who has ever skipped their morning coffee cold turkey knows the pounding headache and crushing irritability that follow. Whole bean coffee sealed with oxygen absorbers can last years. Instant coffee crystals can last decades and only need water to become a drinkable beverage. Coffee is also a legendary barter item. In a post-disaster economy, a sealed brick of Folgers could be more valuable than cash. The caffeine provides genuine performance benefits, sharpened focus for night watch, reduced fatigue on long hikes, and a mild appetite suppressant when food is tightly rationed. Beyond the chemistry, the morning ritual of a hot cup of coffee provides a powerful psychological anchor. It tells your brain that some form of normal still exists. That small moment of comfort has real survival value. If this video was helpful, hit that subscribe button so we can keep pulling back the curtain on what you really need to stay safe and prepared. And tell me in the comments, What is the one food you absolutely cannot imagine living without in an emergency? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.